Kong, one of the most vibrant cities, also known as one of the most expensive living cities in the world. It has layers of history with the British, a place known for its good food and local culture. The city is so dense with 7.5 million people. It's an international town for East Mid-West lifestyle. The average income is about $18,000 per month. Many millionaires and professionals also live in one of those pigeonhole apartments. Design is not about price. Design is all about how you put all the things together. I'm just an ordinary human living in this beautiful, chaotic society. How to create simple homes on a budget. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hidden But Handy. Please come join me as we will explore how to create simple, beautiful homes together.